majestic salesman in his natural habitat, preparing what seems to be 2 barrels of junk. He must act quickly, for customers may appear at any time. The hat is a natural addition to his physique in order to attract a customer. Wilder forgets his materials and jets off to collect. Also, Scar's totally taken my idea. He's totally taken my idea. I mean, can you believe this? Do you know what I see? I see a competitor. Well, we can't have this. Although I might be wrong. I'm pretty sure he's building one of his wagons, but we shall see. That's definitely one of his wagons. I tell you what, we're going to wait until he's finished, and we're going to prevent this sale from ever happening.